Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton and welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. Today's video is brought to you by Liquid Web. They are without a doubt the most helpful humans in hosting, especially if you're running a WordPress website. I have to challenge you to get over there, check out their pricing, but more than that, look at the value that you get for what you're paying each month. You're easily going to be getting the best security, the best support. They've got staging sites, they've got backups for your website, and whenever you have a question about a WordPress issue, not just server issues, but WordPress, they're going to be able to answer it for you, especially if you're running on WooCommerce. You need to check out their solution that they have that will increase the page load time for your WooCommerce site as well as the security. All right, y'all, you're here to watch a video on what I suggest you do for all of your videos for yourself and for your clients. What tool do I use to add a transcript, the closed captioning that you see below me? How do I do that so easily and quickly, and how do I do that on every single one of my videos? I'm going to show you the tool I use right now. So this is it right here. It's rev.com, rev.com. I'm going to give you a $10 off your very first order. So be sure to use my link and in the description box below so you can get this discount. But guys, this is only $1 per minute. So if you have a 4-minute video, it's only going to cost you $4. If you have a 10-minute video, $10, and so forth and so on. It'll provide a transcription of your audio or video. It can provide captions. And it can even provide foreign subtitles. So if you like to translate your video into Spanish, Japanese, whatever language you like, they've got a lot of different options for you here. It's trusted by a lot of different people. I have used it literally for years now as I've translated or transcribed all of my videos on my YouTube channel. It's really important that you do the transcript because 2 reasons. One, you're going to be able to take that same transcript and go put it on your website in your blog area so that you'll actually have text around your video that you embed. But also, you'll be able to give that transcript to YouTube and embed it in the video itself so that YouTube now clearly understands what your video is fully about. And it'll help increase the ranking of your videos. So this is a really important step that you cannot skip. And I know it sounds like, gosh, that might add up, you know, if you're paying $1 a minute. But really, truthfully, it's worth every single dollar, every single minute, because this is what's going to help you rank higher on your website and rank higher with your YouTube videos. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that this is a great technique to sell as a service to any of your clients that need SEO, because this is going to give them that boost that they've been looking for. Let's say your client has created 3, 4, 10, 30 videos and they live on the website. You can now go get those transcribed and make blog articles out of each and every one of those and really help them start to rank even more powerfully than they were before. It's a really important tool. I can't recommend it enough. And be sure to use the link below so you get $10 off. Go try it. See what you think about rev.com. Hey, I hope this has helped you. If you're interested in my health journey, stick around. I'll give you a quick update here in a couple of minutes. For those of you off and running today, I hope this has helped you and encouraged you that you can find great resources online, and you can definitely find them on my channel. Be sure to subscribe because every Wednesday I'm creating a video just like this to help you improve your online marketing inside the world of WordPress. All right, I'll see y'all at WordCamp US coming up November 1st. If you're able to be there, I'd love to see you there in St. Louis. If not, I'll catch you next time online. Bye, everyone. Hey, y'all, thanks for sticking around and checking out my health journey. I just got a report back yesterday from my doctor that things are healing very nicely from the surgery that I had done 3 weeks ago now. And she's pretty confident that the interstitial radiation that I had done, internal radiation, was able to treat my mass as I am battling cervical cancer. So as moving forward now, I just have to kind of wait, let my body heal. In December, late December, close to Christmas, I should be able to have my PET scan done and know if I'm in remission or not, kind of understand my status at that point. So right now, for the next 65, 75 days or so, I'm on hold, kind of just trying to recover and gain back my strength and my energy, put a little weight back on, because I definitely shrunk down quite a bit with all the radiation and the chemo treatments. But your encouragement and all of your DMs and emails and tweets and cards that you've written to me have been such an encouragement. Thank you so much. I love logging onto my YouTube channel and checking out all the comments that y'all have just showered me with. So thank you so much for all the encouragement. I feel your prayers. I feel your good thoughts, and I certainly read them and am encouraged by them. So thank you so much, y'all. I am hoping that I am in full remission and that the new year of 2020 will look really different for me. So again, those of you that might be able to make it to WordCamp US coming up in St. Louis in November, the first weekend in November, I hope to see you there. Come by, say hi to me. I will be speaking at the event, so hopefully you can make it to my workshop. Holler at me. Let me know that you found me on the YouTube channel. That's always such an encouragement to me. We'll take a quick selfie and I'll put it on my Instagram channel or something fun like that. All right, y'all. Thanks so much again for all the encouragement. Y'all have a great one. Bye, everyone.